Yo guys, this is the power of meme coin. So there is this coin called Pepeai where I invested $1 and I got this amount of coins that you're seeing on your screen right now. When the price dropped, I again bought more by converting my GMPT tokens to this Pepeai coin, and I got 732 million coins plus. In total, I got around 1.4 billion coins. And if you are to wrap up the whole price, that like the whole amount that I spent plus the gas fees, it was around $2, guys. $2. And right now the $2 that I invested in Pepeai, they are worth 19 USDs. And this is a wallet where I just buy meme coins for fun and I keep them for a long run. I don't panic sell cause I just invested $2, guys. That's nothing, guys. That's nothing. So that's the amount that I have right now in this Pepeai coin. This is not financial advice, but you also try out these coins. Use the littlest money that you'll be having, because this is the Binance Smart Chain. It's not like Ethereum where you want to buy a coin of like around $12 and the gas fees is $24, you know. This is the Binance Smart Chain where you can use $1 and invest into any coin. Losing $1 is nothing, guys. It can't buy even stuff in your own country. And yeah, $2 they have turned into this. The interesting part is this coin is going to be listed on exchanges. Let me show you something. Are you seeing this? Very soon, it's on the countdown. They are going to be listing this coin on MEXC Global, and also Bitmart is going to be listing this coin on their platform. This is exposing the coin to a wide range of people, billions of people, millions of people on the trading platforms. So guys, try out this coin if you want to give it a try. This is not financial advice, but right now let me show you the funny part. Right now, if you have to invest $2 in this coin, if I'm to go on CoinGecko, right now you can't even get 1 billion coins. Right now you can easily get 135 million coins with these two coins. But back then when I got this meme coin, the total you saw it was around 1.4 billion coins. And right now even the $2 can't get you like 1 billion coins, because right now this is what you can get, 135 million plus. So go check out Pepeai and give it a try. Right now 24 hours trading volume is 3.4 million US dollars. 24 hours, guys. This is going to be interesting. I'm not looking forward to sell. I'm going to be holding because I used only $2, guys. $2 to get 1.4 billion coins, which are now worth $19. I can't panic sell. Even if it drops to $1 again, I'll be holding this coin for a long run.